This is not the land of my birth, but it's the land for which I hold the greatest affection. And I certainly will come back in the springtime. Thank you.
I mean, they were very well trained, very disciplined. Their drill reflected that. This was John Kennedy, and they did their job beautifully.
Hello, everybody, and welcome. Welcome wherever you may be.
I felt a responsibility that I've never felt before or since of being a major link at a time when a broadcast from a telephone call from the United States was something unusual.
She had us over in the flat over field at 4:30.
She had us played.
And we got, she's persuaded him and tell us 'tis we were on.
'Tis we were on.
So we had to cut out our time on.
They travelled at 18 miles an hour. And I was reading someplace that one lady was screaming at the speed of the train. You know, previously it should have been in a horse-drawn carriage.
I take one step forward, I leap and I catch. I always catch. I swing a boot and hit the ball sweetly, and it's sailing straight for the posts. The ball flies way over the vent on the side of the house that marks the crossbar and crashes hard into the landing window. That was our championship. The back garden, a vent, a drain pipe, and one of those old plastic cup final footballs.
Agus heich fer soos lár an énig, at haring ich sé an cóta an talamh, agus an té hesach an cosógan son, hos noch an tríd.
It dawned on me then that this was it, and I'm not big into the whole tears thing and all that, but I couldn't stop until I got back into the dressing room. I was a fucking mess. I just had to let it out. Do you know what I mean? There was no way I could bottle this up and do it at home tonight. This was the time to have closure. When I walked out the dressing room, that was it.
Go dtí an lá dearannach, bhí cion speisialta ag an bobal Charlton.
I was very emotional at that time because I knew I was leaving, they knew I was leaving, and it was good, it was tremendous, it was wonderful.
Bhí sé mar a mediational point is dócha idir saoil a bhí imethe nó bhí ag imeacht. Ní féidir lomsa a ceann Helvic a scara as ceol Nicholas Tobin.
He loved fun, he loved the crack. He was a brilliant man. He'd sing a song at the drop of a hat. Music wasn't precious to Liam Clancy. It was natural to him.
Next steps for the formation of the Gaelic Association for the preservation.
Well, I had tres cúpla bliain gur raibh an cumann nuais an a hácht agus saolmas hire, agus gur lúp for an dúis é, graime áil an gcumann.
Well, Hamidna fell láthir atsa ag tuairt fé húlháin chorán tóhal an slíomh siar den éidir atsa thugúnta chiarí. Buna mar na anahennamh go dó as ar gamachúirt mór híomh na tíide ag bóla le pobl agus le daoine agsúla fudfad na tíide se, os na héanamh bhí gobar an glár, slán is benacht.